Okay, question 42. Bunny used circles and squares to make patterns as shown below. So how many circles were there in pattern 102? Okay guys, for this right, I think we need to have a table. Okay, so this table it goes like this. Okay, I do not have much space. I just try my best, okay? Okay, so first of all, we have the figure number. Figure number, okay? Then second we have the squares. How many squares are there? Then we have circles, and then we have the total number of circles and squares. So altogether we have four columns. One, two, three, and four. So we need to draw a table so that we can see the trend. Okay, there is a certain pattern to the how the numbers will change as the figure number increases. So we have this figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4, figure 5, and so on. Okay. So in figure 1, right, I have a 1 square, 4 circles, total 5. Okay. And for figure 2, right, I have 2 squares, I have 6, total will be uh total will be 8. Okay, and for figure 3, right, okay, I have 3 squares and 8 circles and also um 11 in total. Okay, so if you want to fill in 4, right, guys, I think you can see a pattern, right? It's 1 2 3. The square number and the figure number are the same. And then for the circle, right, you see it starts off with 4, then after that it keeps on adding 2. You see 4 to 8, 4 to 6 is plus 2, 6 to 8 is plus 2. So the next one will be 8 plus 2 will be 10. Okay, and can you see that for the total it will be plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So that will be 14. Okay, and so on and so forth. Okay guys, now 42A, right? How many circles were there in pattern 102? Guys, of course we can list down the pattern as in 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But if you want to list all the way to 102, right, I think it's a bit impossible because by the time you do up to pattern 102, you probably would have used up more than half an hour. Okay, so there is an easier method to do it. So first of all, you look at the circles, right? It goes like this. If you were to draw a model, right? Okay, you find that figure 1, every figure, this is figure 1, you have a 4. Then subsequently for figure 2 onwards, right, it's actually you plus a 2. Then you plus a 2. And then you plus a 2. Don't know until add. I don't know how many you add lah. Okay, until here. So then this will be 102. Okay, so if there's a 102 pattern, right? Pattern 102, right? That means there is a 4 and the rest are all 2. So how many 2s are there, right? Isn't it 102 you minus 1 is 101. So you have 101 times 2. Okay, because this amount it is 101 times 2. Please take note. So you have 202. And of course, guys, please don't forget the 4 here. We have to add it in. So 202 last 4. We have 206. Okay, for pattern 102. Okay, and next for B, right? This is the answer for A. Yeah? Let me write it down. For B, Bunny made a pattern with 52 circles. So how many squares were there in this pattern? Okay, so guys, we can do the same thing because for circle, right, the pattern it goes like this. So we have 4, then after that we have a 2, then we don't know how many 2s, and the total is 52. So what we need to do, right, is that we need to find how many 2s are there. So 52 minus 4 first, I have 48. 48 divided by 2, I have 24. So that means they are all together 24 2s here, and then plus the 4, right? That means it has to be figure figure 24 plus 1, which is 25, or pattern 25. Okay, and guys, can you see that the pattern number or the figure number is the same as the square? Okay, so how many squares are there? Figure 25 or pattern 25, it tells you that they are all together. Also the same number, which is 25 circles. Okay, and of course, this is correct.